In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google AdSense account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's start this journey together. First things first, grab your favorite web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once you have that open, go ahead and type in Google AdSense into the search bar and hit enter. You'll want to make sure you select the official AdSense website from the search results. So look for the link that clearly indicates it's from Google. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, you should see a prominent Sign Up button. Give that button a click. This is where the process really begins. Now, you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password if you don't already have a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can simply log in with your existing credentials. After you've entered your email and password, you'll need to provide your phone number. This step is important because Google uses this number for verification purposes. Once you input your phone number, Google will send you a verification code via text message. So, keep your phone handy and check for that text. When you receive the code, go ahead and fill it in on the web page. Now, if everything has gone smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully created your Google AdSense account. It's a great achievement and opens up many opportunities for you to monetize your website or blog. Now that you're set up, let's quickly go over what you can do next. Once you're in your AdSense account dashboard, you'll notice various options like ad setup, performance reports, and payment options. Take some time to explore these features. Understanding the dashboard will be incredibly helpful as you start to use AdSense to make money from your content. One of the first actions you might want to take is setting up ad units. This is where you can create different types of ads that you can place on your site. Choose what works best for your content and audience. You'll also want to make sure you adhere to Google's policies to ensure your account remains in good standing. And remember, patience is key. It might take a little time for the ads to start generating significant income, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Before you go, I just want to emphasize the importance of regularly checking in on your AdSense account. Monitoring your performance reports will give you insights on what types of ads are working best and how you can optimize your strategy moving forward. So to recap, we started by accessing the Google AdSense website, signed up with your email and phone number, and got your account up and running. It's an exciting journey ahead, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below. I appreciate you watching, and happy monetizing with Google AdSense.